Welcome to part 2. Let's dive straight in administrating Mani. Administration of Mani can become quite complex with individual admins and admin groups. However, to keep things simple, I'll just show you how to add yourself to your own server. If you've tried to access any administration functions in Mani at the moment, you would almost certainly be blocked access. Connect to your game server. You'll need access to your console, so you might need to add -console to the end of your Counter-Strike shortcut. Once you're in your server, bring up the console with the tilde key and type admin into the console. You should be told you're not authorized. Back to the console and type status into the window. You'll then be presented with a page full of text, and what you're looking for is your Steam ID, and your Steam ID looks like Steam _ number : number : and another bunch of numbers. Copy that down because we'll need it for later. Okay, exit your game and go to your Art of War Central control panel for your server. Log in, and then I need you to find the file manager icon for your server. Once you've done that, click on C Strike, directory C Strike, and then find the CFG folder, click on that, and then find the Mani admin plugin folder, and then make sure we're in the right directory. We'll just read out the folder again. It's C Strike CFG Mani admin plugin. And then you need to click on the new file icon. Click on that. Once that comes up, you'll find you've got a box, and you need to type in that box admin list.txt. Okay, and in the main window, you need to put your Steam ID, which you should have copied down. Okay, once all that's done, you need to click on save, which is right down at the bottom of the page. Click on save. Processing. This has been processed. You'll see file has been saved at the top of the screen. Okay, remember to restart your server because that's very important, because otherwise these settings won't take. So go back into your game and bring down the console window and type admin, and nothing will happen. You won't get an extra prompt or anything to say that the command has worked until you actually exit the console and go back into the game. And then you'll notice there's a menu on the left hand side which says admin options, page 1 of 2. Now if you happen to lose this by pressing 0, actually exit the menu, then you'll have to load up your console window again and type admin again. So an easy way to actually bind this, to actually bind it to a key, is to use the bind command. So if we bind it to a key, we just type bind F12 admin. That will bind it to the F12 key. So every time you press the F12 key, you'll bring up the menu. And that is how you admin your Mani server. There is more than just one method for adding admins to Mani. If you would like to find out more, then visit the documentation which is held on the Mani admin plugin website. And you can find this by typing Mani admin plugin into Google. This is a demonstration of some of the features of the Mani admin plugin. I can't include every feature, so I've picked out some of my favourites. I've dragged in a guinea pig, also known as Mike, one of our clan members, to demonstrate. The Mani plugin consists of 9 different areas to look at, and these are... Okay, let's demonstrate on Mike. F12 is a binding to admin. Type bind F12 admin into the console to allow you to bring up the menu quickly. My example will state F12, which is the quick and easy method that I've used to bind keys to commands.
Terrorists win. Ow. If you go tech 90, I'm gonna kill you. Then 93, 92, 91, 90, uh-oh. Counter terrorists win. Ah! Where are you?
think my brains and your brawn will make an excellent team.
I am Cornholio. I need Kippy for my bunghole.
Great, mad at him.
Another successful procedure.
One thing I forgot to mention is that once you have your Quake settings installed, you'll need to enable them. From the Counter-Strike console, type Quake or Settings. If you type the latter, you'll be presented with a little menu system on the left hand side of the screen. From here you can enable and disable Quake sounds by pressing 2.
Prepare to fight. First blood. Terrorists win.
Maggots!
Archon commands are a method of administrating your server. Similarly, Mani Archon commands are commands that are specific to Mani. Mani Archon commands are typed into the console. You can find a list of these commands on the Mani admin plugin website, or by typing ma_help into your console. Unlike Archon commands, you won't need to enter your Archon_password before using these commands. Mani relies on your Steam ID, which you entered earlier. Another method of entering Archon commands, and even Mani Archon commands, is to enter them into your archonlist.txt file. This file can be found on your game server under the cstrike/cfg/mani_admin_plugin folder.
Cheers, mate!
To access Art of War's additional games plugin, log into your game server control panel and right click on Game Services. Then click on the server you want to add the plugin to, then click on the Game Mods icon, which is the picture of the two little joysticks. Once there, pick your plugin and click on Install. Art of War Central supports a number of pre-configured plugins. However, if you have a specific plugin which isn't listed, give them a call. They'd be more than happy to accommodate you. Let's just take a look at some of the other plugins that Art of War Central supports. Gun Game is a leveling mod for Counter-Strike Source. Everyone starts with a Glock and you have to level up by killing. Z-Block, this is an additional anti-cheating software for clans and tournaments. CalConfig is the Cyber Athletes League configuration scripts. And CSS RPG is a role-playing level-based server-side plugin for Counter-Strike Source. As you kill your opponents, you gain more experience. You should already know about the next two items, as we've just covered them. Finally, there's the Mati event scripts. This is a server add-on that provides an easy-to-use script engine for Source game servers. Okay, that's all we've got time for. From all the guys at TCC, goodbye for now.